Welcome to the walkthrough of the Notion Personal Review Space, your all-in-one system for reflecting, reviewing, and refining your personal journey. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the template and make the most of each section. So, let's dive straight in. The main page is organized into 3 clean columns. On the left, you'll find quick action buttons, perfect for quickly adding new entries on the go. Just below that is the navigation menu, giving you access to every part of the template. Underneath, there's a daily overview of your habits that are due today, followed by the goals you're currently working toward. In the center column, your active projects are displayed in both gallery and timeline views. Below that, you'll see all upcoming tasks, grouped by today, next week, and next month. You'll also find your most recent reviews. And at the very bottom, there's your time blocking calendar to help you plan your week with ease. Finally, the right column starts with a clock to keep you mindful of the time, a digital sticky note, and a simple to-do list to cross off quick tasks. At the bottom, you'll see your most recent journal or reflection entries, always within reach. The first page of the template is your daily reflection space, a place to create journal-style entries and capture whatever's on your mind. Each entry lets you set the date, tag relevant topics, choose your mood, and rate your energy level for the day. You'll also find dedicated sections to note your wins, challenges, and lessons learned, along with a larger space to freely write your reflection. And to help you stay organized, there's a built-in calendar view, so you can easily see your past entries at a glance. Next up is the Reviews page, your space to reflect with intention. At the top, you'll find quick access buttons to create the type of review you need. Below that, you'll see your most recent reviews, a calendar view to track when they were done or are due, and a timeline that shows which period each review belongs to, like weekly, monthly, or quarterly. At the bottom, reviews are grouped by type: time-based, goal-related, or project-focused. Each review lets you add a score, select its type, and link it to a goal or project. You'll also get review prompts tailored to the type you're doing, so you're always guided through the right questions. Next is the Goals page, a clear overview of everything you're working toward. At the top, goals are organized into different table views based on their current status. Below that, a timeline shows when you've taken action on each goal. And at the bottom, a board view groups them by quarter or status for a big picture overview. Inside a goal, you can set the category, quarter, start, and deadline dates, link related projects and reviews, and see all the tasks and steps needed, including a full list of connected reviews. Next is the Project page, where all your work comes together. At the top, you'll see your active projects, along with grouped views based on priority or the goal they support. Below that, a timeline gives you a visual of when each project is being worked on. At the bottom, there's a full list of all projects, including completed ones. Inside each project, you can set a priority, link it to a goal, add key dates, track progress, view all related tasks, and check out reviews tied to that project. Now let's take a look at the Tasks page. At the top, you'll find tasks sorted by due date, today, next week, next month, or overdue. Below that, tasks are grouped by status, and at the bottom, a calendar view shows them weekly or monthly. Inside each task, you can set a status, add a due date, and link it to a project or goal. Next is the Schedule page, powered by a time block calendar, split into 2 sections. On the left, you can drag and drop categories into specific time slots to build your weekly plan. On the right, you'll see a summary of each category and how much time you've scheduled for it. You can hide unused time blocks to stay focused, and with one click on Reset Calendar, your schedule clears and the categories update to show what still needs to be planned. The final page is the Habit page, your space for building and tracking routines. At the top, you'll find quick action buttons to make logging habits simple and fast. There's a consistency chart to track your progress over time, a Today section showing what's due today, and a full overview of past entries in a list, weekly and monthly calendar view. And that's a wrap on the full walkthrough of the Notion Ultimate Brain. Grab the template using the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion setups and productivity tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.